Hey y'all, this is Ann at Georgia Campers, and today I'm excited to show you this Gulfstream Amerilite. It's a 2024 199 RK rear kitchen. So this is also a rear bath. So let me show you the great layout of this small camper. So we've got our queen bed up here, wardrobe storage, overhead storage, got a place for a TV here. You got your hanging cables and your plugs. As you come in, control center's here on this cabinet. You've got overhead cabinets up top. Underneath, you've got the sofa. Now, this is a jackknife sofa. So all you do, lift it up, pull it out. You've got extra sleeping here in addition to over here. Now, check out the bath. So you've got a perfect little booth dinette for two people. Also, this becomes a bed. So we move back here. Full-size RV refrigerator, plenty of space for everything you need. This model even's got a pantry, so you've got 4 shelves, 4 spaces to store stuff. Then, here we've got our kitchen, and then over here we've got the bath. We'll go in the bath first. Privacy door, got a shower curtain with a tub. Now, a tub's a real popular option if you've got your grands with you or your littles. You've got your sink, your storage and your medicine cabinet. Under storage, of course, the potty. And check out back here in the kitchen. Big double sink. Lots of underneath storage. 4 cabinet doors. Drawer, silverware. 2-burner stove. Now, this model does not have an oven, but it does have a microwave. Plenty of space here. Then in this overhead storage, I love this. Makes use of the corner, which is so nice. So you don't have a dead corner back there. You can access it from both sides. Super light and super bright. Lots of things to see and do back here. Then as you come back up front, plenty of perfect space for you, whoever you travel with, and even your grands if you're here every once in a while. Hey y'all, thanks for coming on this video tour of this 199 RK from Gulfstream Amerilite. This 2024 model has everything you need for easy traveling in a compact package. Now remember, if you click over here, you'll be taken to a playlist of other couples coaches just like this one. And if you click over here, you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll get notified as soon as we put videos online, which is pretty often. Y'all have a great day. As always, thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.